How to auto login on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily auto log in to your Facebook account. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's just jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Facebook application and make sure to log into the account where you want to save your login info or where you want to enable auto login. Once you do that, you need to go over to the menu icon at the top right corner. Then you'll find the gear icon right besides the search. Once you tap on that, you'll open your settings and privacy. Then you want to go ahead and tap on your option for account center. Then once you go to your account center, you actually have to go to this for password and security. And then here you'll find your saved login. Tap on it. And if you want to enable your saved login on Instagram or Facebook, depending on your choice, you can just select your account. I'll go with Facebook. Now to save your login info, you could just go ahead and tap on any one of these to save it. Since I've already saved my login info, I only have an option to remove account from this device, but instead of that, you could have the save login info option. You can even find this toggle button if you want to save your login info on Instagram, and you can turn it off if you want. But I'll just keep it on, and there you go. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.